Wel, da ni wedi cyrraedd y ffordd, wedi cychwyn o Aberystwyth bore yma, a pawb yn ei wylio, ar blistars yn cynyddu, ond dyna fo, da ni efo'n gilydd, yn helpu'n gilydd i ddod rwy'r boen.
Eitha anodd edrych i'r gwir, ni wedi cael dod o Aberystwyth i borth, a oddi ar y brif ffordd eto ar y llwybrau. Hyfryd o ran golygfeydd, fwy anodd o ran y coesau a'r trad felly, ond digon da, mae pawb wedi cyrraedd yn llawn wyliau, ni wedi cael llawn y boliau nawr o gynno, felly barod i fynd o nawr.
So chi yn gwrando ac yn edrych ar hwn, cerwch ar y wefan i rhoi arian ar gyfer achos mor dda, a ni'n gweithio mor galad.
Amazed at the way everybody turns out in the little villages, towns and schools. It's really uplifting.
It has been amazing, and I think you deserve to give yourself a clap for all that effort.
Only 3 more days to go, but you know, boys and girls are tiring out. A few injuries are coming in now, but without these guys here, you know, we wouldn't be able to do it. The feet's the biggest problem, and every morning we have the crazy clinic where we get our feet sorted out. Apart from that, no, it's good. Nice and sunny. Just hope it gets a bit cooler now.
Little things keep you going all the time. So, you know, you see the helicopter flying over on its way to a mission, turn a corner and somebody's waiting with an ice cream or a lolly. Oh, it's just brilliant. Public support's fantastic, and that's what really sort of, you know, kicks you off and keeps you going.